Indus Valley civilization. In this video, we will see the important city, rivers and their importance. City Harappa, River Ravi, importance, a row of 6 granaries, mother goddess, figurines. City Mohenjo-daro, River Indus, importance, great granary, great bath, image of Pasupati Mahadeva, image of bearded man and bronze image of a human dancer. City Lothal, River Bogaba, importance, port city, double burial, terracotta horse figurines. City Chanhudaro, River Indus, importance, city without a citadel. City Dholavira, River Indus, importance, city divided into 3 parts. City Kalibangan, River Ghaggar.